Hi, in this video, we are going to understand about the knowledge-based agents and we will also explore on the Wumpus world problem. Knowledge-based agents. Knowledge-based agents utilize the structured knowledge bases and they make informed decisions and they take actions in the artificial intelligence systems. These agents store domain-specific information, rules, and the relationships for the efficient reasoning. They also derive new insights and solutions from the existing knowledge using deduction and induction. They excel in specific tasks or domains such as expert systems in medicine due to their specialized knowledge. They engage with users or other agents providing recommendations and assistance based on their stored knowledge. Now let us understand the Wumpus world problem. Before looking into the PEAS description, this is the structure of the Wumpus world problem. As you could see, it's a 4x4 grid. This represents the agent and this represents the Wumpus and this is the gold and this is the breeze and this is the pit. Now let us understand the PEAS description and apply that to the Wumpus world environment. Performance measure. When the gold is found, the agent scores 1000 points. When it falls in the pit, it scores minus 1000 points. And for every move, it costs minus 1. And when arrow is used, it costs minus 10. Then environment. It's a grid of 4x4 with pits at some squares here and gold at one square and the agent position is 1, 1. Actuators. Turn 90 degrees left or right and you can walk one square forward. You can grab or take an object, shoot the arrow. Agent has one arrow. These are the actuators. Then sensors. In case if there is a Wumpus in the adjacent room, the agent will perceive stench. In case if there is a pit, the agent will perceive breeze in the square which is adjacent to it. In both these cases, we'll have to exclude the diagonal. If the room contains gold, the agent will perceive glitter. When there is a wall, the agent will perceive a bump. In case if the Wumpus is killed, it screams so that you can hear it anywhere in the environment. Wumpus world problem. Now the agent is at location 1, 1. In this location there is no stench or breeze, which means the adjacent rooms are safe as per the fact. So from here the agent can either move to 2, 1 or it can move to 1, 2. Assume that the agent has come to 2, 1. In this case, in this particular cell, it is experiencing a breeze here, which means there must be a pit either in 3, 1 here or 2, 2 here. So this breeze tells us that there is going to be a pit either 3, 1 or 2, 2. So what the agent will do is it will move back to 1, 2. Now leaving these locations, the agent is moving back to this location 1, 2. Now here in this location, it is experiencing a stench. which indicates there must be a Wumpus either at 1, 3 here or 2, 2. We are excluding the diagonal. But this 2, 2 is a position where the agent assumes for a pit when it traversed this particular location, 2, 1. But it does not receive a breeze in 1, 2. Here, it does not receive a breeze, which indicates there is no pit at this particular position. Also, Wumpus is also not available here. Wumpus is also not available here because the agent did not experience any stench when it was in 2, 1, which concludes that 2, 2 is safe. This particular location is going to be safe. And the Wumpus is in 1, 3 here. Now we are concluding this based on the previous experiences. So concluding will be difficult without the previous experiences. From 2, 2, from this 2, 2, the agent will go either to 2, 3 or 3, 2, either here or here. In case if it goes to 2, 3, this particular location, 2, 3, it will perceive glitter and it indicates that the availability of the gold. From this, we have understood that it is the reasoning that leads the agent to take correct actions, and this is dependent on the correctness of the facts. So, we can conclude that logical reasoning is the essence to have correct conclusions. In this video, we have discussed about the Wumpus world problem. Thank you.